How to change your voice using InShot. Yes, you watch video online and you wonder how they create voice like echo voice, scaring voice, and you wonder how they create this type of voice. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can change your voice using InShot, this app. So this is the app showing on the screen. Go to Play Store and download it now. Wait, should in case you don't understand what I'm talking about, please, I'm going to you. I don't want to die. I'm going to you. Yes, the exact thing I'm talking about. So I'm going to teach you practical step on how you can create this type of voice. Yes, you use InShot to create this type of voice. So before I proceed, make sure you like this video, drop a comment, and also smash that subscribe button and make sure you drop a comment. So let's dive into the video.
So what you have to do is for you to first go to Play Store and download InShot. So after downloading the InShot, we're gonna go straight to the app. So this is the app. Should the case if you want to download it on your Play Store, this is the app logo here. So what you're gonna do, just also click on it, then we click on this video, we click on video, then wait. After loading, we're gonna click on this plus icon, click on the plus icon, then this we're gonna choose the video we want to use. So these are the video I have on my phone, so you just have to choose the specific video you want to use. So as for me, I'm choosing this video, this one that I echo. So let me choose the video, just click on it. So after choosing your video, you click on this mark icon. So this is it. So I don't have to edit it first from where I started. And yeah, so after editing your video like that, what we're gonna do next is for us to remove the InShot watermarks. You have to remove the InShot watermarks away from the video in order to make our video more beautiful. So this is the InShot watermarks, the InShot watermark. So if you are using CapCut, it's until you pay on the app before the CapCut watermarks can remove from your video. But in InShot it's not like that, so it's free. So what you're gonna do is just to click on that cancel icon, then click on free remove. So we're gonna click on free remove. So it's going to remove the InShot watermarks away from the video. As you can see, this place, the InShot watermarks has been removed away from this particular area. So let's go directly to what we want to do on this particular video. So what we're gonna do is just for us to scroll to the end. We're gonna scroll to the right hand side until we see voice effect. So we see the voice effect. This is the voice effect here. So wait, before you click on it, there's different type of voice effects there. So what we're gonna do next is for us to click on it. Just click on it. Then yes, these are the certain different type of voices you can use for your video. So I'll be explaining one by one what this really means, one by one. So this one is a baby character. As you can see, this is the root character here. So this is the child character. This is a man character, this is a woman, a female or a male. So this is a male character, this is a female character, this is a robot. So let me play it each so you can understand what I'm talking about. So let me click on the first one. As you can see, this is a baby character voice. This is a man. We see this is a female. This is, as you can see, this is the robot here. This is the robot character. The robot. This is the robot. This one is masquerade, like scaring stuff also. See this one also. This one is like dog. So let me play this one. This is animal. This is animal effect. So as you can see, it's another one. This is another one. And this is another. So you can just choose, and if you don't want to choose anyone, you click on this place back. Just click on there back if you don't want to choose anyone. So if you choose this and you say you don't like it, that you are not going to use the same voice again, what you just have to do is for you to click on this place to remove. This thing means remove, so you can just remove it. And let me do an example for you now. Let me play the video.
I'm going to kill you.
As you can see that the character is still on a child character, so if you want to remove it, we're just gonna click on this place. We click on this place to remove it, and we're gonna play it so you can hear. As you can see, it has go back to my normal voice. So this place again, this is what we call the hot character. This place is called the hot character. This one is the main character, and this is the hot character. So this one is used for calls. So if like now you want to create a video and you want someone to be speaking under, like you are receiving a call in a video, this is what we are going to use. We're going to use this one for it. So let me show you an example. Have you seen it? It's like you are making a phone call. So this one is a announcement speaker, like announcement stuff like that. You can see. So this one here is a empty house voice, empty house voice. So let me play it. If a house is empty, this is how it usually sound. So this one is the echo. The fourth one here is echo. This one is the echo sound. So this is the echo. This one you can use like for winch, all this winch video, all this horror movie like that. You can use that one too. And this fifth one here is a fan. This is fan voice. As you can see, this fan. This one is so that's a different types. So this one is when someone is inside the water. So if the last one here is when someone is inside the water and is talking. So let me play this one. This one also. So this one. So this another one again. So this one is the pro version. This is the pro version. So you can just choose the one you want to use for your video. So you can just choose the one as for me in this tutorial I'm using the the echo sound. So I'm let's
I'm going to kill you today. I'm going to kill you.
So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop your comment, and also like this video. We're gonna meet again in our next video. One love.